Go boldly.
Go
explore.
boldly and make memories.
Well, you can do that without leaving your bedroom.
Go out bold. How do we get to this point?
This point right now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Well, it kind of started a while ago. So, once upon a time.
Yeah, so here's a little story I'd like to tell about three brothers you know so well. No, so.
Let's go cheers.
So,
We'll start with the cheers.
Cheers. There you go. Bon voyage. Arrivederci. Sayonara. Anything that says we're leaving.
Well,
you know?
almost.
Oh, hasta la vista. A little liquid courage. You just
Courage?
get some courage. Like...
Well, hello.
Okay. Hi. I'm Michael.
And I'm Lisa.
Okay. And basically, we're about to tell you a story.
About a man named Jed.
No. Three mountaineers barely kept their family fit. Anyway, so we're going to start this kind of like an interview. So, Lisa?
Yes.
How did we get here?
Oh, wow. That's a story.
So,
Yeah,
back when I was a small child.
Several years ago, we decided that we were going to make, what was it, a 10-year plan?
Yeah, it was basically a 10-year plan.
A 10-year plan.
10-year plan.
And originally, we wanted to buy a catamaran.
That was a catamaran, a big old boat.
Yes, and sail the world. That was our retirement plan. That's what we wanted to do. And
well, that was what, about 5 years?
5 years ago.
Yeah, 5 years ago.
So we had this whole 10-year plan that we were going to do it. And then as we got further down that path, we realized, or I realized really quickly, that catamarans are really expensive. And the more we researched it, the more I figured out that it just started to seem like it wasn't going to be feasible at all.
Yeah, because we're not rich. We're what they call the opposite, I believe is how you pronounce it, or maybe it's opposite. Of rich. So yeah, that wasn't going to happen anytime soon.
So, watching YouTube one day. Anyway, we're surrounded.
We have fans.
I came across, all right, and I knew this was going to happen.
That's fine. That's fine. Keep rolling, girl.
Anyway, one day while watching YouTube, I came across this family who was setting out with 3 children in a travel trailer.
Oh.
Which I first thought was insane. Because 3 children in a little travel trailer, yeah, no. But they piqued my interest, and I started watching them. He was at work, and I began watching, and I realized, well, hang on a second. If they can do this in a little camper with 3 teenage children, then there's no reason why we can't do it, because our children are grown. So.
Okay. Wow. So that was the beginning that got us to where we are now, as far as this part. This part.
I don't understand. No, that was how that was the beginning before it was even introduced to you.
But again, that's the beginning, hence the word beginning. of how we got to this part. Okay. So I get home, and she throws this at me, and I'm like, well, sure, why not? You know, because my initial plan was, I don't mind a teardrop. I think that's awesome. I think that'd be great. You know, we can get a little small V6 engine vehicle. We can pull it. Great. I like it. I can make a little makeshift shower. No. Her words to me were, no shower, no pooper, no go. So we had to start to look for what we liked and what we thought would work. We ended up settling on a fifth wheel, and we'll go into more detail later as to why we chose that.
But here we are.
So here we are. I'm semi-retired. I did 25 years from active and reserve time in the military, and got medically retired a year ago. Hence the lovely locks.
Which won't be around long, so take a look at them while you can.
And then her career as a photographer allows her the opportunity to travel and do what she needs to. So it allows us some flexibility. And like she mentioned, our kids are grown. But why is it that we really want to do this? Well, we want to take a look at our beautiful country in North America before things disappear. We recognize there are changes happening, and we want to go see those things. Not only before they disappear, but
while we're young enough and physically able to do it.
Yeah. You know, my life was not easy on my back. So the question is when are we going to do it? Our tentative window is we're looking for November-ish of 2020. Yeah. Possibly. So where were we?
Where we were was, where we are now, which happens to be a little 2-bedroom apartment that we're renting. Because last year, because last year this time, we put our condo on the market and sold it because we figured that would be the best option for us to get to our goal much quicker.
That's true. And
once his retirement went through, that checked a lot of things off the box for us, and we were able to advance our plan quicker because it made certain things okay for us to move forward. So the best way to do that was to get out of debt.
We have some obligations we still need to attend to, and that's one reason why we put that date of November of 2020 out there. It's a tentative date.
It could move.
But we're going to take advantage of this time.
Right.
And we're going to explore the lovely city in which we live in, of Charleston, South Carolina. It is rich with history and things to do and see. In fact, we actually like being tourists in our own town.
We do that a lot.
We're kind of freaks.
I like that a lot. But we're going to take little short trips within like 4 to 5 hours from Charleston in all directions. And visit some, state parks and places like that, and do little short trips that we can fit in and take advantage of every weekend or every chance we get between now and the time we go full time.
Yeah.
When we're not selling things and
working.
Going through he's working. And going through our storage unit to get rid of things, because we still have a storage unit full of stuff. And our plan is to have everything we need in the camper by the time we hit the road and have a very small storage container left.
So she kind of glassed over something there just a little bit.
I don't know what she's talking about.
Just over a few things. We actually already have the RV.
Which you would have seen.
Yes.
You would have seen if you had seen the trailer already that we put up last week.
Which you should have.
If you haven't, it's probably right here or right there. I'm not sure yet.
I like it down there.
Because I'm a photographer, not a videographer.
What you need to do is you need to subscribe.
Please. We'd like it if you subscribe.
You need to like. Big thumbs up.
Thumbs
or
up.
a thumbs down.
No.
But, well, we
no
don't
thumbs
want
down.
that.
Just
But
keep
if that's
scrolling.
if
You
that's
don't
how
have
you
to watch
feel,
it.
what interaction? We want the interaction. We want to know. We really do.
He wants to know.
Well, I don't want negative Nellies, but I want to know. Because if it's something, like, oh, he's got crusties in his mouth, I want to know. So, and hit the little bell thing.
Yeah.
Down.
So you
over
don't
there.
miss anything?
So you don't miss anything. And join us on this journey.
Yeah.
It's...
We're going to show you warts and all.
Yeah, well, you don't see all the warts. I do have one right back.
No.
Anyhow, thank you, and I hope you enjoy. See you on the road.
Really?
Really?
Yeah, I'm not sure how we're going to do this. Anyway.